log in as member. Go to Attendance, click Set Attendance and select Picture Upload. Enter your email and attendance PIN, then click Submit. Click Take Photo to capture your image. You may choose to retake the photo, then click Time In. Navigate back to Attendance and click Set Attendance. If lunch status is enabled by admin, you will be prompted to select your current attendance state, such as lunch start or lunch end. Note that photos are not required for lunch logs. Once lunch start and lunch end are logged, navigate back to Attendance and click Set Attendance for your timeout. A success message will confirm that your attendance has been submitted. Please remember that attendance will not be recorded if you are outside the branch's pinned office coordinates.